this is very touching. We're in a place where our ancestors passed through to get to other parts of the world. And we did our tour, and it really touched me and my family just to walk on the same ground our ancestors walked on. To walk through the buildings, be locked in the buildings where the little dungeons that they was once locked in. And if we look at the other Africans that are doing the tour that may be from here, and there's some couple of Caucasians throughout the groups, but when one Caucasian gentleman came out, one of the dungeons that they kept the ones in that rebelled, he came out in tears. And it's just touching out of all these Africans that are here in Africa, how a lot of them was laughing, because I understand they didn't go through what we going through. They didn't go through what our ancestors went through. But that's the building right behind me. That's where they locked the ones that rebelled in. Until they didn't kill them, they just let them die slowly. And it's sad to say that we still have a lot of healing to do, not just in America, but we have a lot of teaching to do in America and in Africa, and mainly in Africa itself. Because a lot of the people here don't understand what our people have been through, what our ancestors have been through, what we have been through, and what we are going through. And like I said, some of them laugh and joking. I don't know what some of them are saying, but this is not a laughing matter. This is not a place to joke at. This is not a place to get your selfies and things like that. But this is a place to remember what our ancestors have been through. And I just want to share this video with you all. I mean, because you black people, African Americans in America, you need to stop being slowful. You do everything else you want to do. You travel wherever you want to go. You do the things you desire to do. That's you. I mean, I understand all that. That's your money. Do what you want to do with it. But you at least should invest in yourself and your family. You want to wear African shirts. You want to do wear the dashikis and things like that. You want to, act, wear the things of Africa, but you don't want to place your feet on this ground. And to me, that's sad. We're not rich as of right now, but still, we made the sacrifice to come here, taking time off work and things like that. We live paycheck to paycheck right now, but we know there was a appointed assignment for us, and to make the sacrifice to come over here to place our feet on the ground where our ancestors, the place of no return. And man, it's like I said again, this is it's an awesome place to come visit. So this is your assignment, America. Since y'all want to understand the assignment, this is your assignment. Get off your behinds and get yourself to Africa and come and see where your ancestors come from. Come and experience the things that they experienced. Like, this is not about a selfie. This is not about how many likes you can get, but it's about put actions to your words. Put actions to your words. Just don't be hearers of the word, be doers of the word. I know everybody can't come. I understand that. But still, you can do something. You can support somebody who does come and do things for the place of Africa, for the poor in Africa. Or you come yourself. Save up your coins and come. So I love you. Peace out.